Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to check battery health information into your Samsung Galaxy A51. First of all, go into Play Market and find Ampere application. This one. Need to install, wait for installing, then open this application, click yes I agree, close, and OK. And then need to swipe right, and here on the top we got our health information, so our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.